In the Business Review this week, we feature Next Step Digital Solutions, which has taken a customer-focused approach to digital marketing. Here's an Aisha Nation.
In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, many businesses are digitalizing their operations, a move which is no longer seen as a luxury but an absolute necessity. And Next Step Digital Solutions says it is the ideal choice for businesses to start up or improve their internal operations.
We are the digital construction company for that. So we are the digital, so we provide you with the digital solution so you can take that next step in your business. So we do brand development, social media management, digital advertising, website development, and application development, just to name a few.
From working at an insurance company in 2017, Chief Vision Officer for Next Step Mohan Beckford now leads a multi-million-dollar company. He says he's introduced new products and services to companies, including on the international market, all in less than 6 years. But how?
I knew that being digital at some point in Jamaica, it's going to be necessary. Because of the passing of the COVID pandemic, it pushed us a little bit further in time to accept the reality that digital transformation is something that we have to embrace. And I can make that reference because we also have a branch of our business in Canada, and the adaptation of digital transformation in North America versus here is worlds apart. So we are really just coming up to the reality that digital transformation is important and it has to be a part of our daily life as business persons.
As for the branch in Canada, Mr. Beckford says the market is better.
It's different in terms of the offering. So there's a greater need for digital transformation. There's a greater need. So a company in Canada sees a website as not as an expense but an investment in their business.
So how profitable is the business of digital marketing?
I exited corporate at the end of May, so the 1st of June to December, that was about 15,000 US. And then for the entire 2018, that was about a little bit over $30 million.
He says for 2021 into 2022, the company has seen a steady 200% increase in revenue and continues to experience growth due to the expansion of the digital market. He says the company also created a network link for businesses.
We had integrated AI in one of our community tools that we afford small business owners called Jamaica Small Business Group. So we integrated AI in there. So if you want, you can, as a member, you can go and have a conversation with the AI about a business idea that you have and how you want to flesh it out, and it will have that conversation with you and tell you everything that you need to do to get it up and running and even to sustain it.
With only 12 employees, Next Step continues to leverage digital technologies for businesses. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.